When we are going to shoot a event or we are told to shoot a certain people speaking at the event, there are a few things which you must deliver with the sort of person speaking or the event coverage. Taking on one by one, the branding shots. If it's event, there will be banner, there will be event name, date, time, location. Get them captured in your camera. The second thing, entrance shot. The gallery where the people are moving, there will be some crowd, some people going down, some coming up. Have those pictures and videos too. We are talking about B-roll, which will be used while editing the final video of that speaker or person whom you are recording. And one more thing, I will tell after some time why it's more important. The third thing is signage. There are some signs: exit this side, entry area, registration desk, event hall, hall 1, hall 2, workshop room. So try to get them into your frame too. The fourth point, you know your speaker, who your target speaker is, who your target speaker to record is. Try to record him when he is not speaking itself. Get some B-rolls. He is checking phones, he is looking, he is taking notes, he is preparing, he's talking to people. Capture all these moments and different focal lengths, some tight, some wide, some zoom. He walking, he talking, he drinking water, everything, whatever you get, just capture. Rest video editors will think how to make use of it in post-production. We are going to have the footage of a speaker, but the speaker is talking to audience. So in this regards, the audience footages become important too. Try not to be too focused on the speaker. Even if you are having one camera and one camera is logged on the speaker, totally got it. But when the time your particular speaker is not speaking, try to have footages from audience side. Those footages would be used later in post-production when you can mix this action, the speaker saying something, and reaction. Even if it's from different speaker or different time, it works. Point number 7, networking B-roll footages. In any event, the purpose is marketing and the attendees have a purpose, networking. So when your speaker would be speaking about something, most of the times they mention that they like the vibe, they like the people or something. So the footage which I am recommending to take now is audience engagement pictures. Even if your speaker is not involved in that, those pictures and videos, take that. When the speaker, your speaker would be telling about the experience, the people, the footages which you have taken of other audience engagement activities, those will act as B-roll and your editor will have option to add those on top of that main footage. So it will give context to what your speaker is showing. Moving on to point number 8, take detail shots. When your speaker is not on the podium, try to get picture of his watch, his close face, the glasses, these things, its shirt or a coat. The 9th point is about closing shot. When you are taking video of the speaker, you will get intuitions when he is going to leave the stage and people are going to clap. So when he says thank you and people start clapping, make sure to move your camera towards the audience side, because your speaker has already gone. And now comes the B-roll part, like when your camera is moving or certain things are happening, like someone passes in front of camera, then what will be used? Those B-rolls which we have taken earlier, those will be placed strategically so that the video feels like complete and not a mistake that someone walked from here in front of camera. These are the B-roll tips for your event recording. If you have recorded your event yourself anywhere in the world and want us to edit in Bangalore, I have a service called Video Editor on Demand for events. Check the description, it has all the details. You just give us all the footages, photos, videos. Our amazing editors make something good out of it. And if you are hosting your event in Bangalore and want me to capture, shoot and record, feel free to contact. The description has phone number, WhatsApp number, email, website, everything. Thank you.